waist, chest, shoulder, neck, hips. Arms position, forward, sideward, upward, downward. Upward oblique, downward oblique, forward oblique, backward oblique. Arms in T. Arms in T position, reverse T position. Standing position. Feet together, stride, lunge, half knee bend, full squat. Kneeling position, kneeling, stride kneeling, half kneeling, one leg extended kneeling. Sitting position, long sitting position, long sitting rest position, hook position, tuck position, stride sitting, side sitting, hurdle sitting, heel set, cross sitting, frog sitting. Back lying sitting position, hook lying, tuck lying, side lying, front lying. Arm support, arms forward support, sideward support, backward support. Four base position, dog stand position, raise position.